Hello everyone and welcome back, friends. Today's episode will be for our core. Today we'll be using a tube. And if you don't have a tube, that's okay. You can use blocks. And if you don't have blocks, you can do without it. There's 3 exercises that we will do on the tube. And we'll do at least 45 seconds of it and then do it 3 times. You ready? Let's begin. Sitting up nice and tall. Heart is lifted. Relax your energy and ground yourself. Take 2 breaths in. Inhale 1, 2. Pause. Exhale 4, 2, 3, 4. Relax your eyes, your cheeks, your jaw. Relax your hands and your feet. Feel the grounding. Feel your mind relaxing. Take another breath in. And exhale 4. Good. Let's go circle your neck. And then circle again. And then back. Now bringing your arms straight up, palms together, extending your chest, and breathe here. Inhale, 1, 2, and then to the right side, turn. 1, 2, and back to center. Inhale, exhale, 1, 2, keeping your knees down to the right side. And then bring your arms back and twist to the right. Inhale, 1, 2. And back to center. Inhale. And then exhale, 1, 2. And back to center. All right, let's begin. Take your again, you can do it without the tube or the block. So I'm going to use the tube since I have it. I'm going to lay down first. And lift your tailbone up. Slide that tube underneath your lumbar, right in the center. You can hold the tube if you like, or maybe again, you can do it without the tube. Bringing your legs together, feet. And then you're going to exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down and inhale. Now continue this. Good. Slow and gentle. 3, 4. Continue to count. More. And 10 like a butterfly. Good. Now we're going to tap. You're going to place your hands underneath and tap the toe away from your energy. And then the other side, tap. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Makes 3. Continue. Keep the chin level. Up to the ceiling. Tap, release, tap, exhale down. Tap, exhale, tap, again. And continue this pile because it helps your energy. Keeping good attitude by work in our core, strengthening, balancing, and giving your body this beautiful exercise. Continue. And last one, right and left. Good. Now, from here, bring your arms straight up. You're going to tap down, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. That's 2. And 3. Good job. Okay, so go ahead and take the tube, slide it down, and then bring both knees to your chest, rocking back and forth, side to side. Do two more reps. So just relax it for another couple more seconds, rocking, and then bring your head and knee meets. Head down, and bring the tube back, feet onto the ground, and then lifting your legs. Elbow up, slide feet to the back, and hold the tube if you like, and then feet together. Inhale, exhale, and that's one. Inhale, exhale down, two, and bring your knees wide if you can. Come down the floor, that's 5, 2 more. Good enough. Going to place your hand underneath, tap down, exhale, 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 exhale. Last one. Good. Now bring your arms up and exhale. Inhale. 2, 3. Continue. 2 more. You got it. You're getting it. And down. Good. All right, now go ahead and move to the side. Bring both knees to your chest, rocking back and forth. Stretch to the right, stretch to the left, and the knee meets. And then head down, right again to the right. And if you want, bring the two back. Then you can go to the right, to the left, right, and just windshield wipe to the side. Again, if you don't want to use a tube for the third set, that's okay. Or the block. All right, let's go ahead, bring the tube back. Really put energy in your lumbar. Okay, so now go ahead and place your hands to the side and then exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale. Continue those 3, 4, we need to do 10. And 10. Good. Now tap and tap. You're doing great. Just continue. If you need to stop and come back, that's quite all right. And 2 more. Tap, tap, 1 more. Tap and tap. All right, now bring your arms straight up and tap down. Exhale, inhale. 2, 3, 3 more, we got it. 1 more. arms to the side, lift the tailbone up, and then you can put the tube to the side. And then from here, bring the right knee to your chest, the left leg down. Just go ahead and stretch. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Okay, now take the right knee to the left side. Take the right arm straight up. Inhale, exhale. Good. Inhale, exhale. Beautiful. Now let's go to the other side. Take the right leg down. And then bringing the other leg to the belly. And hold. Inhale, exhale. Now take your right knee to the side, tube to the side, and take your arm straight up, and breathe into the space. Good, now bring both knees to your chest. And then go into cobra pose. Bring your arms straight up. Relax your tailbone. Take a moment just to enjoy this pose. Open up your hip flexors. And sigh it out. Go, ah. Legs together, legs straight out, placing your hands on your heart. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, pause. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Close your eyes, deeper and deeper. Relax your mind. Relax your mouth. Relax your jaw. Relax your fingers. Relax your tailbone. Relax your legs. And then placing your hands to the side. And today, finding joy in your life. Outside, breath, fresh air, feeling the sunlight in your face, seeing stars at night, talking to your old friend, giving yourself some me time, making your favorite beverage, maybe tea or coffee, reading a good book, pets, putting joy and companionship. All right, guys, until next time, see you next time. Love and light.